Here's everything you need to know about Soft99's Fusso Coat F7. F7 is the liquid version of Fusso Coat created for greater versatility and easy application. Perfect for beginners or those looking to protect absolutely everything in their garage. The product comes in an ergonomic bottle and 2 sponges that will help you apply the wax. Shake the bottle well, and the metal ball inside the bottle, similar to those in spray paint cans, will help you stir the contents. Another advantage of F7 is the ease of application. Layer thickness is of little importance. Simply saturate the applicator and spread it evenly over the surface. Remember to work panel by panel. When to polish? The signal will be a clearly visible, almost entirely white residue. Run your finger over the surface, and if it can be easily wiped off, it's a sign that it's time to act. F7 means more possibilities. It's a wax you can easily apply to glossy paintworks, PPF films, as well as matte finishes or even transparent plastics. As befits Fusso technology, F7 provides first and foremost excellent durability and protection against dirt. The coating actively works for up to 7 months and repels road grime with peak effectiveness.
We hope you liked our How to Apply video. For more, check out our social media channels.